charts with emoji. Dollar bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast just like the sea. In this trading world, we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moji's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down, we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash follow. Moji and we still stout. Dating like a pro, fit brigade. Whoa. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji and we still stout. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down, we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Oh, perfect brigade. Oh, perfect brigade. Oh, Korea.
I'm in 30 micros now. About to be flat if we come down to 280. I mean 20 yeah, 280. I said it right. I said it right.
All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live trading session here at TWA Indicators. My name is Mo G. We got Cloud on the line. Say hey, Cloud.
What's up, you guys? I'm already long, by the way.
So as you can see right now, I have my chart up real quick, just so you can see since 8 o'clock or so, price has been heading down. Right now, TPO is red. Everything is saying bearish. However, we are in the cheap area, so if it stalls anywhere, it would be good opportunity for longs. Just make sure you got the context right. All right, so today we're going to be switching back and forth between my chart and Cloud's chart. So this way you can see both of them throughout the stream. So right now you're seeing Cloud's chart. You can see in his chart we're in the super cheap box. So let's see if there's any trades before open that would look enticing.
We are bearish though, so keep that in mind, you guys. I'm just testing along off the level that I have down here that I wanted to play off of.
too.
Nasdaq wants to stop me out. Look at it. 10 micros left. Nasdaq wants to stop me out.
Three.
Mm. I should have taken this on a different account, man. I have an account that is on day 3, and I'm looking to get a payout this week. I should take yeah, I should take that trade on that account.
Let's get back to the cheap box. My strict candles turned off. You can
Very
see
much
my
still in this
chart a little
long right
bit.
there. 10 micros on the table before open. I am up. Well, didn't want to speak too soon, but yeah, I was up $450 on those 10 micros.
Yep.
I was. This keyword was.
Yeah, even though market was pushing down, we are in a cheap area, so just be careful with your risk management. Again, good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Today you're gonna see a treat. It's Cloud and I on the live today. This is my chart, and then we can also switch between mine and Cloud's chart today. So, yep. Thank you, KUR. You should see us on the screen now. You were just preparing something, getting ready for the contract. Sorry, not contract switch. The chart switches. So again, you can see clouds, which is this one, and then you can see my trigger chart, which is that one. Okay, perfect. And KUR, welcome to the live stream. You did an excellent job on Top Step that day. We're definitely going to have you on this live stream as well.
Oh, 5 micros got tapped out. I moved my stop too tight.
Let's see how
Let me
long
get
we have.
my.
About 7 minutes to open. Yeah, definitely very bearish day. Very bearish day. Okay.
Mm. We do have news today, so just keep that in mind, you guys.
Let's see if I can get to a risk-free short before open. Bingo, I'm risk-free in a short. I'm gonna put this down to here. Put down 303. Okay, I'm in a risk-free short just before open, about 5 minutes before open. $95, yeah, perfect, okay. All right, so now that I'm risk-free, I can say hello to everybody. Welcome. All right, so for today, you can see on my chart now, we are, let's break it down from the 4-hour forecaster. We are considered cheap in this area. However, we are in a bearish looking trend right now. As you can see by the TPO, the IVD candles, which is the second line here. Can you see that from there? Probably not. Anyway, IVD TPO is let's see if you guys see. There you go. Move that down a little bit so you can see it. Yep. So TPOs are red, IVD's red, strict candles clicked off. That's why you're seeing a little breather here, and then the probability oscillator right now is showing bearish, and the background is bearish. So take longs at your own risk. You want to trail them tightly if you do, or just wait, see what the open brings us, see what new context brings us. If not at the open, then at the new 4-hour. So remember, if you're on this live, don't forget to share this out with other people you know who like to trade. And also, please give us a thumbs up. So this way, it really helps us out. All right, let's see what Cloud chart has. All right, Cloud, I have your chart up if you want to explain anything you're seeing.
My chart is just saying bearish. But again, we are super cheap on the 4-hour. And if anybody has joined these lives, recently, these are some of my favorite trades to take long here. So I'm just kind of waiting for my setup. I tried a long before market open. Was able to get 20, 30 points on it. So I'm kind of content for now. I do see price pushing down now, so I'm just gonna have to be patient and wait.
Let's see what if I have anything down here. It's gonna. Yeah, right now I'm in a risk-free short. Again, we are by the open. My stop is, 25 points away. Doesn't mean anything in the open, so I'm being very, very careful.
I did trade last night, so I do have some profits to risk, and I did trade this morning. All green trades, so I might be looking to take another trade soon right before open. Oh, we're open actually. We're about to be open.
Yeah. All right, so let's put a little background to it. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's see what price wants to do here.
And we are open.
Okay, let's see. It's pushing up.
Same.
Here come the bulls. All right, now we can look, see. That was a major dump in the beginning. Let's see if. What am I looking at? I'm just gonna go over what I'm looking at real quick. If we cannot break above this level right here, I have that at 325, and we reject there and can't get accepted in, then that'll be a good opportunity for a short.
Ooh. Ooh.
I mean, I'm looking short today right now. We are dumping again. Let's see. We are dumping hard. Wow.
Mm-mm. The previous daily low right there. I'm watching it. I'm watching it.
See if price wants to push down from here. You know, if on the 4 hour forecasters, you can see on mine, it's getting into the really cheap box. Will price be accepted in there or will it be rejected? So far, it's been pushing. Oh man, there's a lot of. Yep, it's being rejected so far. Zoom that in a bit. And see if the bulls can hold this area, or if it's going to be. If it accepts in and breaks through, we're going to have an extremely trending bearish morning.
We should get a pop here. We should get a pop here.
Let's see. It's either gonna be a pop or a Hulk smash. One of the two.
Yeah,
It's like literally like it's battling right now. Looks like the Hulk smash is pushing for a second. Yep, Hulk smash. Jeez,
I'm
jeez.
flat. Bro. I'm flat right now. I'm just trading.
I'm short. I've been short. You know.
I see you better get 100 points soon.
We'll see. We will see. Whenever we're in this purple box, it's it's tough. It might have to might happen the next 4 hour. Let me switch over to charts, the clouds chart, so you can see.
the previous daily low was what I was looking to play along off of, but we couldn't really get any closure on these. So again, these candle colorings, what I'm watching.
Let's see what it looks like here. Yeah, on with the algo candles. We're definitely trending bearish right now. So I'm gonna see what Tesla's doing.
Looking.
Tesla is has a sell button, and the TPO on Tesla is red. That means it's selling off. Where's
No
my
trade for
daily?
me. Yeah, New York woke up to no violence this morning.
It's like New York said, okay, it's time to buy some Christmas gifts. Let's get those bonuses ready.
This is the Asia low from last night. Last night Asia um opened up with a 100-point drop. That's kind of why I'm in profit now because I played the longs off that drop.
By the way, here, let me show it. Let me just get this ready and I'll show everybody. Okay, so just going to switch back to my chart real quick as NQ is, trying to drop.
Mm.
Okay, right now it's in. So here, so on my chart, you see NQ's right now in the purple box. Um, yeah, just gonna hold that for a little bit while I check this real quick. Okay, got that one up. You can see here I have Tesla on the screen. I mean, Tesla's broken through the bottom of the cheap box. That is a very bearish statement. So for all of you who have Tesla, looking for buying opportunities, just keep an eye on this chart because you see Tesla's dropping right now. How's NQ? NQ is right now here. Just want to show that so you can see how these indicators can help you in other markets, not just in the futures market. Okay, now we're back on Cloud's chart. As you can see, we're starting to see some. I see an evidence line starting to change. Cloud, what number? Which one is that?
It's a 5 second. We have some buying power coming in, but we have to get. Oh, I'm long. I'm long. I'm long. I'm long. I'm long. Risky here. I'm going to protect myself immediately. But just know I'm against the trend. I am against the trend right now. The trend is short.
I'm moving my stop a little bit just to secure a little bit of bonus so for the next trade. Where is it at? 306. Let's see.
If we get down to 220, I'm going to be out of the trade.
All right, so we're in this. Well, it's 10 points above here. That's 48, 58. All right, perfect. I like that. My stop is 10 points above that purple box on small settings. Because if we do pop out, which is not uncommon here.
Golly. All right, come on, come on.
Okay, I think here we go. My chart is starting to change up a bit. Yep, see, there it is. Nice pop up.
Come on.
Totally,
Again,
totally expected from here.
I'm going to be a very aggressive trader. That's just how I trade at baseline. This is a nice long right here.
Oh yeah, everything's starting to change. All right, so let me just get that one. Took me out.
Like remember, we
Now,
are against the trend. Protect yourself if you are long with me.
I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes. I'm gonna see what charts want to do. See if uh, TPO or anything starts to change. Background did turn off though, from red to gray. So just keep that in mind. It did turn off.
I'm in runners now. I'm in runners now.
Yep, Tesla's starting to turn. Let me see in the video.
Below the previous daily low is where my stop is placed right now. Right below the previous daily low. The ATR on a what's the ATR on a 1 minute chart, Mo?
ATR is 15.5.
All right. 240, I'm gonna be flat. 240, I'm gonna be flat. Just keep that in mind.
I think this might be coming down again.
Oh yeah, we're definitely. I mean, I'm definitely against the trend right now. That's kind of why I'm protecting myself kind of tight right now. I really want to see that 270. That's really what I want to see. Like I want us to get above 270. We are on fire this morning. Let's go. Mo caught a nice short. I caught a nice long. Like it doesn't get any better than this, honestly. You know, I normally go with the trend. I've just been super bullish this year. You know, um, folks know last year I was super bearish, but that's because because the market called for it. I have a buy button that's potentially printing. That doesn't mean that it's confirmed. You can see it on my chart that these green buttons that's under the candle coloring. That does not mean just buy and just close your eyes and just hope.
Yeah, you got to read it in context.
Yeah. So right now on the 15 second, we are the top of the pullback. Let me switch to a bigger time frame to show you some more context.
Welcome everybody. Let's go. Let's hit that like button. Let's hit that like button.
I moved my stop up, so now 250 is where I'm going to be stopped out at. But this is a nice trade for the open.
Yeah, I'm gonna be looking short at the next 4 hour.
No, don't do me like that, Mo.
Right now. This is right now, guys. Everything I say, you gotta take. You remember, we're day traders, right? We take it in the hour we're in, right? So if the 9 o'clock hour has been short, right? It could change by the next 4 hours because context changes. That's how I look at it personally. Because I hate when I get stuck in a certain bias and I'm blind to everything else. So I take a step back. That's why you see me kind of step back, cross my arms and stuff. Because now I'm just looking at the charts and I'm trying to
Let's go.
see.
300 is where I'm going to be looking to protect myself even more, I might even take a full TP at 300.
And, we got a new 15-minute candle.
That'll be damn near 100 points for me. A 50-point trade at open is not bad. 50 points is not bad at open, man. I'm still at 250 on my stop loss.
We gotta stick above 270, 275.
Yeah, really 275 now at this moment. We had what? 1, 2, 3, 4 1-minute candles, wick inside to 270, none closed.
And if you're part of the TWA mentorship, you know exactly why we're pointing that specific area out.
We should get a nice little 10 and 20 point push right here. What time is it? Okay. We should. We're in a new 15-minute candle right here as well too. So like I like to break the market down into like 5, 15, and 1 hour and 4 hour candles.
Look at the chat. Hey CR, welcome.
Price is like 270.
Hey, if you guys are watching, say hi in the chat so we know you're here.
Yep. Let's see. Do I get tapped out or not?
Okay. Yep. See, that's the bearish sign, but it's not a good time to enter. I took my short and got my point. It did take me out off of some of these pushes back. It happens. I followed the process. Now I just got to wait for better area.
Let's go. Let's keep pushing. Let's get this push above 270, please. Please, God.
Sounds like a person in a very important long right now.
No, I just want to get above 270. I want to be able to be comfortably risk free. Because right now, I don't. Part of me wants to take full profit right now, honestly. Or at least move my stop up more. It looks like I'm about to.
But you see it. Do you see why that area is like fighting right now? You see it?
I know why.
Yeah,
I know why.
So that's
kind of why I'm hoping that it holds.
Yeah, if that holds, it changes my outlook. By the way, FYI. Hey Horatio. Horatio's been on fire lately. I think he's now solved the code. I think he broke through the threshold. There's always a threshold in trading, right? Because the emotion ladder always goes higher. It never comes down. And once you get comfortable, right? Cloud can speak to this probably best out of anyone. Once you get comfortable at trading a certain way, I don't care if it's Symphony, whatever. When you scale up, there's a different emotional barrier to cross every single time.
Oh yeah. I mean, everyone knows if I ever say I'm looking at an area and I get really quiet and don't say anything, just know I took that trade with 10 minis.
Yeah. But it took time to get there, right, Cloud? Let's just make sure people understand the story. Like, you didn't come right off the bat putting 10 minis anywhere.
No, I did, and I was blowing accounts left and right. So I first started off trading 5 to 10 minis and was blowing accounts left and right. I realized it's like I don't need to put so much size and so much risk on the table to make the profits that I want to make. Like right now, I'm trading, 1 mini at a time, and I'm already up 45 for the day.
Yep.
4,500 a day. So, it just goes to show you that you really don't need size, especially in the prop firm space. A lot of these prop firms allow you to have multiple accounts so you can copy trade. I'm not copy trading today only because of the news we had, and I did request some payouts on some of my accounts. So I'm trading individual accounts, separately. But
Nice.
yeah, we're doing pretty good right now, man. This 270 area is getting on my nerves. This is kind of when I need DC to tell
Yeah.
me where the PO is.
Yeah, DC, where are you? Let's go. Drop if DC is on, drop in the chat. POC is blank. I think I can see it. Can you see it on Trade? Let's see.
But again, don't forget we have news. We have very very important news today. We have the interest rate talks today. For me personally, I feel like the interest rate drop is already priced in, especially based off how the 30-year bonds were being bought up last week. I don't know we will have a very very violent Fed meeting today, and look like
Hmm.
somebody gets stopped out.
Yeah, that 275 marks is holding right now.
Yep. All right. Yep. I'm all right. I'm flat. I'm flat across the board, all accounts.
Yeah, I'm not touching a trade until the new 4 hour. Because I like the shorts, and this is not a good area to short, so there's nothing for me to do. Until price can stay above 275. ATR is good. It's at 16. Yeah, and for true transparency, I'm trading right now for the rest of this week and the 2 days next week. I'm trading in eval accounts because I have to get used to getting this YouTube live stuff in order. So I don't want to mess up my funded accounts while doing both. So what I'm trading now is I'm trading some 50K evals
Those
while
evidence
getting.
lines. I'm sorry.
Go
Those
ahead.
those evidence lines are tangled up right here. Usually when an evidence line gets tangled up at a level, it's going to be a lot of range. So you may see a signal to go long or see a signal to go short. You just want to wait for confirmation.
And let me know in the chat. What do you guys like the fact that now we can switch between charts? Because I want to thank one of our members yesterday. I think it was yesterday, or the other day, asking if it was possible. So this is an easy way that we can switch back and forth between charts, so you can see both.
Oh my.
Okay, I'm gonna replace that one. Okay, we have what, 7 minutes to the new 4 hour. Ooh, this might be good. This might be good. This might be the change we were looking for.
Oh.
Oh, this is my trigger. I got it. I got to take it. It's my trigger. I got. 96.
You have to love
Uh,
Nasdaq. Look how it hit their previous daily low again, and look how it
mhm.
ratcheted up. Once you join the live after like a couple of weeks in trading with me, like you're gonna realize how I trade off of. Right now, with this blue line we have here is VWAP. Again, VWAP is another level that you can trade off of. You can have your trims, even your entries off VWAP as well too. Kind of what I said before. Maybe about 10 to 15 minutes ago, I said 300 was the area I was looking to take a full TP. If you're still in this long, don't even think about taking a TP at 300 anymore. Just move your stop up, protect yourself, and just ride it out. The previous daily close is the next area that I'm looking to get over right now. Like Mo said, we have a 4 hour coming up soon. So if you have taken a
Mhm.
trade, just wait. Just wait. Let the market come to you. Don't go to the market. Every time you go to the market, you will get robbed.
Let's go. Let's go for the trigger. So this is what I'm talking about here. My trigger totally got hit. You see the opposite surge here. One right after this, we went back to green, cross from the probability oscillator. You can see in the candles, and area was cheap, risk free right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get ready for this new 4 hour and go blast up to past 325. Okay, now I can sit back. Love waiting for my trigger. Let's go.
This VWAP and 300 level is a strong
Let's
level.
go. 4 hour. I can see the Dom starting to pick up a little bit too. So
Keep in mind we are at the bottom of a 1 minute money zone. Remember what I said yesterday? That money zone is a strong liquidity area. If it's bearish, it's going to be hard to get over it. So again, remember what I said about 300. This was one reason why. Yeah, we have VWAP. We have the money zone. We also have the previous daily close. We need to get over this level right here. I don't see us getting over that level until the new 4 hour. And even then, we could crash down. I've seen the market do crazy things before.
it's a good thing when you're risk free. It's all right because your risk is off the table. Thank goodness. $43. Okay. All right. Let's see. Hey, Horatio, welcome. All right. Let's go.
All right, we do. So we do have a little bit of weakness. Oh no, we have green background.
Yeah.
Printing. Let's see.
Yeah. And I just have a bot here. You can see on my screen, a buy signal is appearing. Let's see if it'll close. This is very good, especially before the 4 hour. We have 20 seconds before the new 4 hour. We got a green background. I know TPOs are still red, so what would give me more confidence? that sucker turning from red to gray. If NQ gives me that, then I'll be even more confident in these runners. Let's see. Okay, new 4 hours gonna pop up in 3, 2, 1. Not really.
We should get a little pop here. We should get a little pop here, you guys. We should get a little pop here. Again, we are in a money zone right here.
There we go.
Hesitation between here and 314. Keep that in mind.
IVDs are green. Look at that TPO turn gray. I like that. It
We
just
just have to
improves.
so pretty much we have to stay above 270. Between
Yeah.
270 and 314, I like it. We're
Yes.
gonna range in that area. So if you are a scalper, you can take longs off 270 if the indicators agree with you, or you can take shorts off 314 if the indicators agree with you.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful. All right. See if the runners want to run. No, he's gonna have to show us that.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me make this a little bigger so like all we can see is price. Let me clean up this chart a little bit too as well too, so it's a little more clear for you guys to look at. This is gonna be a struggle right here, you know what I mean? And honestly,
Mm-hmm.
with what we have today, I would not be surprised if we start to range soon. But that range does that mean that we're just gonna range sideways? I think we're gonna chop up, but it's gonna be a slow, deadly chop up. I personally have a
Yeah, because
headache because I haven't slept. I traded Top Step literally all night last night, and our profits on Top Step right now is crazy.
no, not me. I have to get time away.
If we get 20 likes, I'll post my profits, and I post my profits in every trade I took on Top Step last night.
Let's go. Drop those likes.
All I'm asking for is 20 likes.
Let's go. Right there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Start creeping up.
Let's go, you guys. Whoever's in longs,
Start
let's
creeping
go.
up. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Yes. Oh shit! I gotta move my TP. Excuse me. Excuse my language.
No, Mo's just happy.
Emoji. That's just too close.
If you listen to me from my synopsis this morning, I don't know if I said that word right. You should
Who
be
gives a
up.
crap? Make him any.
Yep, about 55 point from that previous daily low. Remember, I took two longs off that area today. I took two longs off the previous daily low. This right here. Like having levels and having a game plan for the market is so key. You know, it's not that you're predicting the market. All you're saying is like, if it gets to this level, I'm going to look to take a trade here. I don't want to take a trade in La La Land. I want to wait until it gets to a level.
Here we go.
Remember what I said about that 314 area? Let's see if we can get above it.
Who else is in the long? If you're in the long right now, drop a like and put it in the and type long in the chat. He's crazy. Yeah.
Who's that?
South is
Cesar?
nuts, man. No,
South?
South is like Cloud.
Wait,
You're my biggest. He's your biggest fan.
South did not say that. South did not say that.
Here, I'll put it on the. It's just Cloud. I'm your biggest fan. Oh, South showing support today. Love it. All right, KUR's in. Julia's in. Awesome. Look, there you go. They're in. They're in. Beautiful. All right. How many
Hey,
am I
all
on?
right.
Five.
If we can flip this money zone, we are getting 100 points. We are getting 100 points without a question.
Okay.
Well, even one of our lead traders and mad scientist said that. Oh, he's on the old contracts. Hold up, let me see. Is he on the old contracts? Let's see. Before give out some levels, let me make sure. Don't want to give out wrong for you guys. Yeah, he's on the old contracts. Okay, so based off what he's looking at, let me see if I can give you guys the same levels. All right, so pretty much what he's saying is like as long as we stay above that that 270, longs are on the table.
Mm-hmm.
If we break below 270, you could
Then,
potentially start looking for shorts.
yeah.
Potentially. But me personally, I can't look for shorts until we break below that previous daily low because I've been playing longs off that this morning.
Go. Where did we?
This is the part of the market that gets boring. When you catch a trade and the charts just stall here. But keep in mind, we do have our last Fed meeting of the year. Expect a 25 basis rate cut. Um, my belief that it's already priced into the market based off how the 30-year bond auction got bought up last week. Uh-oh. All the 30-second and 1 minute evidence lines looks like it wants to click green. Or is that the 5 second? Let me triple check. All evidence lines are green. We do have green candles. We are breaking above this liquidity zone right here on the 1 minute.
Is it starting to change yet? Not yet.
It
Nope.
it hasn't flipped yet. We haven't had a
Not yet.
closure.
Okay.
The way my settings are set up, we need to have a full candle closure outside of it. Excuse me. Sorry.
Here we go.
I mean, and this is kind of why I said, to protect yourself once we got to 300, or even take a full TP, because we're just going to be ranging here for a little bit.
As long as we range up, that's that's what matters. Range up from here to.
Honestly, after this, I got to go to sleep because I have not slept at all last night. The market was so active from gold to NASDAQ to ES. Like, the market was so active last night. I definitely overtraded last night. I'm sure I took over 10 trades last night, easy.
Wow. I was definitely fast asleep in my bed.
I'm still in my gold short too. Yeah, I'm still in my gold short. I just checked it.
Ew.
Oh my god, I'm up on gold. this is this is probably my biggest day on Top Step in a while.
We got to get on. Man. They got to call you up already.
They have to. There's no way. I mean, there's no way that they haven't yet. I've taken significant payouts on across my 4 accounts I have.
They'll call you that for that purpose only. Like, hey, listen,
But no, but what they've told me before, because I mentioned them about it, and they said that I have to have better risk management. So
uh,
so again, I'm a very aggressive trader. So they may deem my risk management kind of kind of risky.
you
But I mean,
know,
I took
however they see it, they have it in their profiles.
yeah. but my risk to reward is good. My winning percentage is high. Um, I have hit and drawdown a few times, daily drawdown a few times, which is 4,500 for the day. But I've turned around and made it back the next day, so it's
Hmm. Okay, there it comes, the yellow TPO.
all right. With the news we have today, I'm gonna give this until 10:30. If the yellow TPO candle stay on until 10:30, I am going to have to call it an early day, and I'm going to be in the Discord answering any questions about the chart or about any trades anybody took or what or why I took the trades I took.
So you can see, let me just put it on my chart so you guys can see it. You can see on my chart, you see the top yellow bar. That means in about 3 seconds, if that closes, we're going to be in a chop. And let's see if it continues to chop our way. I'll leave mine up for a little bit. So you can see where the previous 4 hour, it was in the extremely cheap box. It finally broke out. That's when I took my. That's when I entered the long when it hit my trigger, which is one. And then when this went back to green, and these were green, that was my trigger. And you can see from the candle, it went from red to blue. I just needed a little more confirmation, and then I was in, and then we had the buy and risk free, and now just basically seeing if we can break above. This is going to be a crazy area right here between 325 and 337 right now. If we cannot break above it and we break below these purple dotted lines, which is 275, then like Cloud was saying before, we could be seeing some bearish movement. But until then, we're probably going to be chopping around anywhere between 275 and 325. That's my opinion.
Man, I might trade my Tesla for this Porsche. This Porsche Taycan. Shit, nice.
Let's see.
Yo, have you seen the new Porsche, Chris?
Hey, mute.
Oh, sorry. I'll stop talking. I was talking about trading a vehicle in. Yeah. Then this Porsche Taycan is calling my name, I think.
Cloud.
I have a Tesla right now, and it's like I don't really drive it that often.
What, an S?
Yeah.
I knew it. I see. I called it. I don't. Listen, I didn't even know what this man drives, but I was like, that's an S, right? Yeah, exactly.
Like I bought it from the auction, and I got a great price for it. 2022.
Nice.
relatively low miles. I think it had 32, 33,000 miles when I bought it. But this Porsche is a 2022 Porsche and it has 15,000 miles on it, and it's definitely calling my name.
Is that how you buy your cars, through auction?
Yeah. Oh yeah. 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 I've only bought two vehicles from the dealership.
Have you ever found anything interesting in one of these auction cars? Like secret
Yeah.
compartments or anything like that?
Oh no, 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 no. I did find a 2005 G wagon that had a new body on it. Like it was
Really?
completely like new from the interior to the exterior. It looked new, but if you look up the VIN number, it's 2005 or 2000 and yeah.
Alright, TPO is clicked off, so we might hopefully we get some movement in our direction.
I'm not taking another long until we get above 314. I want a violent push above 314. I want us to come back down a little bit, and then on that retest down, I might take another long.
I'm still
I
in my
might get that
long.
trade.
Here we go. This is the little push. Yeah, let's see. Let's switch back to yours so people can see both.
Y'all see what I'm eyeing? I'm eyeing this.
Yeah.
I want us to get like I really want a 1 minute. Ideally, for anybody who is not a risky trader, you want like a 5 minute candle closure above this. We can switch to Hakinashi candles to see how how movement is. Oh wow, look at these bullish candles.
Hmm.
Bullish, 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 indecision, 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 and more bullishness. So like you see how we have indecision candles, then any bullish candle we have is a strong push. We've had
What do you
one, two,
call before you go
four,
on? What do you
five.
call indecision candles? Which ones are those?
Here, let me highlight them. Let me take this off. Let me take this off. This is indecision candle right here, where you have a wick above and a wick below. This is a bullish candle right here where the wick is on top. So the Hakinashi candles is very different than a traditional bodied candle. This is another this is another indicator, but this indicator is actually on TradingView. It's for free. You can use this indicator to help you stay in trades longer and even get into trades. But right now we're bullish. We did wick above that 314. I want to see a close above it though. 10:30 power hour is about to close. Let's see what happens here. Be mindful if you are going to get into a trade right at 314 without having a closure. Hold on for dear life. See if we can get to 328. If we can get to 328, that'll be a nice little 14-point scalp for you. Indecision can I mean ranging candles again, and I'm gonna show you what I deem a ranging candle. This anything that's yellow. Once you see yellow, just know that the chop is here. On the bright side, we did flip the woman in money zone, and on the greatest side, that liquidity area is right above that previous daily low. So again, if we break down below the previous daily low, you can start looking for shorts.
Let's look. Decision. Okay, so we're still in it here. Let me just bring this one over. Yeah, okay. You guys can see on my chart here, this is my directional chart. The money zone that I have on the 1 minute is still here, and we're having trouble breaking out of it. So, however, we are, everything is still pretty bullish. There's weakness from from when it went to red to pink. That means there's weakness from the bear push. So hopefully, in a little bit we can figure out what might happen here. Again, remember I told you before, between that 275 and that 325, that's kind of where this zone is that we've been inside since what time is that? Since 10 o'clock. So you gotta wait, see what happens. All right, let's see. Salsa said he'll be right back. He needs to mop his fish tank and vacuum his ceilings.
Where are you seeing this at? Where are you seeing this at?
Yes, I'll put it. It's on the chat. You can see the chat, but if you see on your screen you look at when you share your in your Chrome, I have it on the screen right now.
Oh.
So you can see what's live on that screen that's above it.
Oh, yes.
He's so crazy today. Okay, so it looks like we're trying to push past it.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I agree with South on that 390 area. Hey.
I thought you agree with him with vacuuming ceilings. I was like, what? Okay.
No,
I guess that's a
390.
thing. Is that a big contract thing that we should all be aware of? Just
keep in mind, I'm gonna say this from the for umpteenth time. We have important news at 2 o'clock and 2:30 today. My goal for every Fed meeting is to make my profits before 11 o'clock.
I want to take a trim at 325.
Why 325 and not 320? Okay. No, go for more. Go for at least 328 or 327. I mean, like that's 2 points, from where you want to go. But I really feel like if we can get above a 314, we can have a violent push to 328, if not more.
No, I like 320. Yeah, 325, 327.
Ooh.
There we go. So you got green evidence 1, 2, 3, 4, all green? Yeah. What was that, the 5, 10, 15?
Remember what I said? We need a candle
Just,
closure above it.
mm-hmm. Let me just put this on my screen so I can see it. Measure, edge, and okay. All right, let's see what this new 15-minute candle wants to do. If it wants to start breaking up above 316 and stay there. What is that, 360? What's at 360? Well, good news, TPO is off. IVD is green, background's green. So if you're in a long, this is great for my emotions, personally. I'm okay, staying in this. Nothing's telling me to get out anytime soon, so. Stocks.
Again, that 314 is it's gonna be your best friend.
It's gonna be very telling in this area, Cloud. Very
Yeah.
telling. Oh man, I really love this money zone to start flipping. That'd be very nice.
seeing the area break down right now is not making me happy.
Here. Same thing. Right.
All right, with 10:30, I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. Actually, I know I said 10:30 is gonna be done, but I'm gonna give it a little bit more time.
Let's see what's. Okay, we're gonna get some weakness here.
All right, all right.
Let's see. Okay. Let's see. I think they're both going after 300. Come on, Cloud. Give me that push.
I have no liquidity to
Give me
put into
that
the
push.
market now, but yeah, it's we might have a little bit more room up though. I feel like.
Here, okay. The Bulls are trying to protect that 300 for sure. On the, I'm looking at the 15-minute. See if that was enough to get past that 314 and stay above it. Let's see. See, come on, give us that push. What I wouldn't give for a green TPO right about now. Okay.
Let's see if we can
Here
keep
we
getting
go,
that push.
Cloud. Now let's see if we can, if it is just gonna wick up there, or if it can actually close a 15-minute above 314. We have 5 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Okay, I'm gonna call it later. Okay. Where's this one play? Okay, how we doing on views?
This thing is just closure though.
Mm-hmm. We needed to close the 50. I would like to see the 15-minute candle close up here. That would be amazing. You still have 3 minutes, but that would be really, really another confidence boost.
Ooh, damn! I just looked up.
See?
Remember what I said? Yeah, remember what I said?
I
Remember
know.
what I said? Oh, that's a nice little. Okay, okay, Nasdaq. Now you want to be active. I'm not mad at it.
So now if it rests above 314, man, I love my levels. Oh my goodness. Man. I mean, because Cloud has said it over and over again. Your levels just. I've heard and I've read that the market is basically a chaotic place, right? Because if you look at it without anything on it, it's just a bunch of bars that go in different directions. Your levels can give it a story and a context, so this way that's how you make your decisions. And then you add tools on top of it that takes out the emotion to make those decisions, and you can make higher probability decisions. That's all it is. That's this game. You want to make as high probability decision as possible.
What Adam just said.
I have no idea.
Let me see.
Oh, he sent me the picture. Okay. Here we go, Cloud. Come on. Come on. Let's go. There. Woo!
Here it is. There it is.
Just in time for the new 15-minute candle. Love it. All right. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop up to 76. It's all right, man. Listen, this is the best time for like to test out all this stuff because it's December, it's just before the holidays.
And what did South say? What did he say?
Let's see. He wants that 390 here. I put it up. He just congratulations, South. He hit 100 points, but he wants that 390. Me too, South. Let's get 390. Where is that, by the way? Oh, that's up there. Okay. Let's see. All we have to do is really be accepted into here. So stand above 330. Would be a great sign. Where's that on the... Oh, yeah. I mean, the teal box in the 4 forecasters all the way up in the 480 range. Why not trade? Oh, so Jason, for on our charts we use the NQ continuous. I think that's the one question mark for both contracts, either minis or micros. I use that. This way I don't have to switch back and forth and worry about making levels everywhere. I just make levels on one chart where, you know, if the contracts match that one continuous chart, I make my levels there. I think South, you do the same. I mean South, because I'm looking at his name. Cloud, you do the same thing.
Yeah, my levels are on the continuous chart. Here I'll show you. All my levels are down here right now. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit, maybe give it another week or two and start doing more levels up here. I like to give it like a week or two before I start drawing new levels up here first to see if we retest any lower levels first. But yeah.
Here we go, Cloud. This 15-minute candle is a monster right now. It's blowing right past that area. If it gets out of 355 and stays above it, I think we're going after that 390. Where's my stop have to be? 300. Just move this up.
I think our job here is done today, sir.
Yes, it is. I'm just moving up my stop loss. Let me just make sure to.
It's been made for everybody, and yeah, I think that's it, everybody.
Yep.
All we can do
Yep.
now is just sit in this long and trim and hold your runners.
Trim, trail, and just keep an eye on it. Everybody, thank you so much for another live call. This one was very, very smooth. Um, I think we found our rhythm. And remember, whenever you're trading, stay disciplined, find your setups, trade your chart. And as always, after this call, you could head into Discord and Cloud, I, or any of the lead traders here. Go in there. We can talk about your trades, your charts, and help you out. So, again, everybody, thank you so much. Let's see. Just a little recap. I'm still holding these runners long. I'm probably going to hold these for the rest of the. Maybe until we get close to meeting time, to be honest with you, because you never know what happens. Cloud, thank you so much again, man. We'll see you tomorrow and get some sleep.
Yeah, I need to sleep. I'm gonna take a nap. I am going to be up around 2 o'clock to trade. Let OMC if anybody here that's signed up for the Discord wants to join me. I might be in a student talk, depending on how I feel. But you guys take care, everybody. I'm so happy we all made money today. That's really all that
Yep,
matters. Oh, thank you so much.
no problem. All right, everybody. See you tomorrow.
Take care, you guys. I I'm gonna be in student talk for at least 30 minutes or until 11:30. So meet me there, you guys.
All right. Later.
All right.
Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control.